This is the Kitsune clan, a group of sword enthusiasts who like cosplay, reenactment, and historical martial arts. If you have similar interests, feel welcomed.
Here we discuss counterattacks from the shield block. We know the shield block from our standard drill that changes between the roof block and the shield block. A video dealing with this drill is linked below. The shield block defends against angle 2, the roof block against angle 1. We already know from the half-sword follow-ups that there's a certain symmetry between techniques of angle 1 and angle 2. Therefore, we will again look at the follow-up techniques from the roof block and transfer them to the shield block. This transfer represents a type of prediction and uses therefore a scientific principle. A paper dealing with this aspect is linked below. The symmetry here is different from what we had with the half-sword, because in half-sword the position of tip and butt would change. So let's start out with the challenges after using a block. When we have used the roof block and the opponent stays in bind with our blade, we can simply use the left hand to put his blade aside and strike ourselves. Naturally, this also works with the shield block, but note that the angle of the counterattack differs a bit due to the different orientation of the edge. The first of the more complex versions is striking down with the hands and hitting to the head, so a Scheitelhau. We can also do that from shield block, but here the long edge, so for the katana the sharp side, will hit the target. Less good for penetration, see video below, but better for cutting. The same applies to the other form of the Scheitelhau, where we would usually attack with the backside to the head, followed by a strike to the body side with a sharp edge. From the shield block, the situation is reversed. First, we attack the head with a sharp edge, then we have a rotational strike with the tip towards the ribs. Talking of rotational strikes, next up is the Zwerchhau, the rotational strike over the head, also sometimes called helicopter strike. Like with the roof block, the shield block is used to repel the attacking sword, and then the own sword is rotated over the head, now to strike with a sharp edge. While so far we have used real blocks, now it gets a bit more dangerous. The Unterhau tries to deflect the sword of the opponent and at the same time cutting towards the ear of the opponent. The shield block is seen here only very rudimentary. Same applies for Versetzen, where we use the side of our own blade for the same action. Again, from the roof block followed a cut with the sharp side. Here, from the shield block, we use the backside. Hope you got inspired. See you around next time.